The Earth is flat. At least that's what millions of people on the internet claim. They say gravity isn't real, the moon landing was faked, and every space agency is lying. But do these claims actually hold up? In this video, we're putting flat Earth beliefs to the test using science, history, and simple observations anyone can verify for themselves. If the Earth were flat, many things we observe every day would not make sense. Gravity would pull strangely, time zones would be difficult to explain, and ships would not disappear hull first over the horizon. Lunar eclipses would not consistently show a round shadow, and satellite navigation systems like GPS would not work as they do. The evidence from science and observation strongly supports a spherical Earth. Some flat earthers claim that the sun is small and moves in circles above a flat Earth. However, this idea does not match observations. The sun is actually much larger than Earth and much farther away. Its size, distance, and the way sunlight reaches different parts of the world help explain seasons, time zones, and day and night. A small nearby sun cannot accurately account for these observations. And there's other flat earthers that said gravity doesn't exist. But if gravity did not exist, the world would be completely different. People, oceans, and the atmosphere would not stay attached to Earth, and objects thrown into the air would not fall back down. The moon would not orbit Earth, and planets could not remain in stable paths around the sun. Gravity is not just a theory used by scientists. It is a measurable force that explains countless observations we see every day. Many experiments and observations have shown that Earth is round. Over 2,000 years ago, Eratosthenes measured different shadow lengths in 2 cities and calculated Earth's circumference with surprising accuracy. Sailors observed ships disappearing bottom first over the horizon, and travelers noticed different stars visible at different latitudes. Today, satellites, space missions, and photographs from orbit provide even more evidence that Earth is a globe. Even during the Islamic Golden Age, many Muslim scholars accepted that Earth was spherical and built upon earlier scientific knowledge. Scholars such as al-Biruni measured Earth's size with remarkable accuracy, using mathematics and observation. Muslim astronomers developed advanced models of the heavens, calculated Earth's circumference, and used spherical geometry for astronomy, navigation, and determining prayer directions. Their work helped preserve and expand scientific understanding of a round Earth. If Earth were flat and all space agencies were part of the same conspiracy, it would require thousands of people from many countries to remain silent. Yet astronauts and cosmonauts from nations that have often disagreed with or competed against the United States, including Russia, China, and others, have independently observed Earth from space and described it as round. Their observations, along with satellite imagery and international space missions, all agree on the same conclusion. Earth is a globe. Some flat earthers claim Apollo 11 was faked, but evidence comes from more than NASA. Spacecraft from China, India, Japan, and South Korea have independently photographed the Apollo 11 landing site. Another claim is that stars are missing from the photos. This is because the cameras were set to capture the brightly lit lunar surface and astronauts, making the much dimmer stars invisible. These facts strongly support that the moon landing was real. Some people wonder why we do not feel Earth rotating. Although Earth spins at about 1,670 kilometers per hour, each at the equator, everything around us, including the atmosphere, oceans, buildings, and ourselves, moves with it at the same constant speed. Because the motion is smooth and steady, we do not feel it. Just as passengers on a plane do not feel its speed when it flies smoothly. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more content.